dish. This is my lucky green baked eggs.
Lucky green.
Green is a lucky color because for the new year, it symbolizes wealth.
Yes.
Really? I didn't know that. So I like to use this little mini Dutch oven, and I have in here olive oil and shallots. And what I've done is chopped up some kale, salt and pepper, and I'm letting them just wilt. It takes a few minutes. That's what we started off. So this is going to be very good and very delicious. So we're going to saute that, and to this, we're going to add some magic ingredients. Some garlic, not really magic. Chopped green olives.
More green.
More green.
Cheesy.
More cashew.
Chopped green chilies.
Ooh, I'm gonna give that two toot.
Look at you,
like
pulling
that?
from the can.
Pull in from the can. A little anchovy paste.
Ooh,
Funky.
That's three toots.
I really like that.
I love anchovy paste.
It's
It's such
delicious.
a good, convenient
Awesome.
item to have in your fridge.
To this, we're gonna add a little bit of stock. And what this does is just help get enough moisture in it. We're gonna eventually bake this and make it a really healthy dish. But if you don't put any stock in it, it's gonna get very dry. Okay, so after about 5, 6, 7 minutes, depending on how much stock you put in there, we have something that looks like this, okay? So it just changed. It just sort of changed the color. It's got a little darker, but it's just so good. And you could eat this as a side dish. I just taste it. It's so good. So good, but like a piece of fish. And we're gonna make a little wells. Let's say we have 4 little wells. And in this well, for decoration and a little more flavor, we're just gonna drop a basil leaf or 2.
More green, more money.
Smart.
You know, a lot of cultures,
Green.
folded leafy greens means like folded money.
So I've just broken 4 eggs in little jars. And the reason why I do this, if you break, you can throw them away, save for scrambled eggs, or just so you wanna really get a nice, just a little insurance policy.
There you go.
And you just drop them in the little wells. See how easy that is? Mm-hmm. Oh. Doesn't that look good?
It does.
A little bit of salt and pepper. You don't want to overcook these eggs.
No.
One thing, they have to be a little runny because
I
it's going
like
to
to
help with
room temp my eggs when I bake them like that so that it does
Yes,
cook properly.
it's a good idea. A little sprinkle of chopped sun-dried tomatoes.
Ooh.
Nice. I know you thought that was bacon, but it wasn't.
It did look like bacon from afar.
Yeah. And some feta.
Ooh, feta.
Feta. And the
Cheesy.
feta brings a nice pop of salt to this dish.
I could eat a whole block of feta.
Oh, I love feta.
Just
Oh, I
straight
do
up.
too. Okay, Jeff, will you help me and get that
Yep.
door? 350, 10 minutes, 12 minutes. Don't overcook them. Mm-hmm. You don't want to overcook them. All right. And voila.
Whoa!
So,
That looks
It's good. Looks good.
so I'm going to give you a taste.
Oh, great.
So I have a little toasted bread with a little garlic, salt, and butter. Okay. And I'm gonna scoop one out here for you. Isn't that like delicious?
good. Look
You
at
want that
that.
one?
Oh, you're picky, Jeff. Look at you.
Look. And then a little bit of pecorino romano.
Oh,
Do it.
dude.
Dude.
Turn that
That's
baby around. That looked good.
You ready? There you have it.
Unbelievable.
Green baked eggs with feta. Okay.
Good luck. This is going to make me millions this year by
gonna
eating this.
Coat your
Green
belly.
leafy vegetable.
By the way, my New Year's meal is liver and onions.
Liver and onions?
Yeah, thanks for the applause, guys.
Over there. Pass it down.
Just gotta get
No one ever
get
wants to
4.
come over. No one. That's my favorite thing to do on New Year's Day.
What is that? I missed that. Jeffrey
Liver
was-
and onions.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I love it.
Good way. Oh man. See, I need a fork. I need a knife too. I mean, I know you're knee deep in serving. You are.
Thanks,
So
cheesy.
in my grill right now. So let me eat this.
It's out of the way.
Oh yeah, I gotta get some of that.
Okay.
5 toots being the most possible toots.
Okay.
That's 5.5 toots, brother. Punchy, creamy. I mean, the feta, the salt punch from the feta and the
Crazy.
sun-dried tomato, so good. And it's like that velvety, just yolk from the egg coats it, makes it creamy, and the greens are perfectly cooked.